What it is, everybody, Abe Wiley 1 here. Springtime. You know what that means? 64 time, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got it out. Got it running. Got it washed up a little bit. Got a new battery. Got her running. Summer. Springtime, baby. Chevy boy. A video of it for you here. Uh-oh, got that inside dashboard. That's right. It do 100. It do 100. See through here. Everything. Really nice bench seat there. Check this bad boy out. Got me a gauge. It's gonna go right there. It's gonna tell me how hot she's running. Over here. There's my everyday Chevy. My Silverado. Back in. The child and the wifey, and the hoe bag of a dog that's in heat. Anyways, my 6'4", Abe Wiley 1 here. Springtime. Get your game up. That 6'4" running. We're gonna get it nice. Think I'm gonna go with the theme on it. Check this theme out. My grandpa's shop, Wiley Machinery. Think I'm gonna do it that faded orange color, rust style. Put that, some old script on the side of the door. Handy Wiley Machinery. Cause I am Abe Wiley 1. Anyway, stay tuned. My boy RSB gonna help me along. Maybe he'll put some videos of his slab up for you. 2 different tastes here. I'm a truck guy. He's a East Coast rider. So we'll get it going. Thanks for watching. Rate it, watch it, share it with your homies.